Conjunctions mean conjoin the things. Conjoins two words together, conjoins two clauses together, conjoin two sentences together. Mean it is a word that connects words or groups of words together. Okay, I'm going to the store and buy the bank. Here are two types of conjunctions. We mostly use these types of conjunctions in types of clauses, being the subordinate clauses and coordinate clauses. So let me just have a look over here that what are the coordinate conjunctions and what are the subordinate conjunctions. Coordinate conjunction is to join words, phrases, or clauses together which are usually grammatical equal. For example, we use only coordinate conjunctions with coordinate clauses, mean main clauses and independent clauses. We can call these are the names: coordinate clauses, main clause, and then like independent clauses. So here, like pizza and burgers, I wanted to buy a car but I had no money. Coordinate clauses, the word is here, coordinate clauses is like a fanboy. Fanboy stand for like F for far and O for R for I write these all. Like these are the fanboys coordinate classes. For example, for F for far, A for and N for R, B for but, O for R, and Y for yet, and S for so. So these all coordinate conjunction used for the coordinate clauses, mean to join the coordinate clauses together. Then the time is here to subordinate conjunction. These conjunctions are those that introduce subordinate clauses and join them to the main clause. And there are some examples. Except the fan voice, these all are like a subordinate conjunctions. Like she cannot come back because she is ill. The patient had died before the doctor came. So we can say these are many types of subordinate clauses, subordinate conjunctions. Subordinate conjunctions sometimes used for the reason, sometimes used for the for the adjectives, for adverbs, and for the some others. So just identification is here that coordinate conjunctions are these conjunctions are coordinate conjunctions, and subordinate except these all the conjunctions are subordinate conjunctions.